Mabuhay! Andito tayo ngayon sa likurang bahagi ng ating Our Lady of Hope Parish Church at nakita natin ang The Way of the Cross, Stations, and Gift from. So una is ang Station 1, ang The Last Supper na pinagawa at dinonate, no? Sponsored or gift from Azucena Examine Vorslois and family. Ang second station is the agony of Jesus in the garden. At ito ay binigay naman ni Mr. and Mrs. Avelino Fernando Sr. and family. Kasama dyan si Mr. and Mrs. Antonio Imbon Jr. and family. Ang station 3, Jesus faces the Sanhedrin. Donated by Mr. and Mrs. Elpidio Huen. Ang Station 4, The Scourging and Crowning with Thorns. Ito naman ay galing sa Inagwas family. And then, ang Station 5, ang Jesus Accepts His Cross, galing naman sa Loredo family. Ang Station 6, Jesus Falls Because of the Holy Cross. Ito naman ang nanggaling kay Engineer and Mrs. Carlito S. Soribio and family. Ang Station 7, Simon Helps Jesus Carry His Cross. Ito naman ay nanggaling kay Mrs. Hermogena Madalugdog and family. Ang Station 8 naman, Jesus meets the women of Jerusalem. Ito naman ay nanggaling kay Dr. Jesus Galapate. Ang Station 9, that Jesus is nailed on the cross. Ito naman ay nanggaling sa Notre Dame of Esperanza High School and Elementary Department. Ang Station 10, Jesus promises heaven to the repentant thief. Ito naman ay nanggaling kay Mr. and Mrs. Antonio de Mesa and family. Ang Station 11, Jesus entrusts His mother to John. Ito naman ay nanggaling kay Miss Mallory T. Umayan and family. Ang Station 7, Jesus dies on the cross. Ito naman ay nanggaling kay Engineer Indaya and Attorney I4 Oregano. Ang Station 8 naman, ang Jesus Buried in the Tomb. Ito naman ay nanggaling kay Mr. and Mrs. Alfonso Aldana. At ang Station number 14, Jesus Rises from the Dead. Ito naman ay nanggaling kay Mrs. Heidi Lucas and family, Fabian Yagong and family, Juanito Esmejarda and family, and Hector Calaor and family. Ito po ang mga naging mga gift givers ng ating Station of the Cross na makikita natin dito sa ating simbahan sa Our Lady of Hope Parish Church. Ayan po. Ayan. So, yan po lahat ang binigay nila.
Totoo ba? Totoo ba? Totoo ba?
Totoo ba?